good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
So, have you done your homework?
Yes, sir.
Just you have to repeat many times. Repeat after repeat, repeat after repeat. I have just to do. So tell me, have you read? If you have read, then what have you read? Stand up. Have you read?
Yes,
What?
I have read Sikkim.
Sikkim. Always you read Sikkim. Change the chapter topic.
No, sir. Today.
Today's. Okay, tell me, have you practiced?
Yes.
How many times?
I have practiced 60 times.
60 times. Increase number of times of practice.
Okay.
Okay, now tell me 10 orders.
Go there, come here. Don't play in the sun. Don't touch my book. Don't touch my pen. Don't disturb me. Uh, don't touch my hair. Don't you know? Don't play here. Don't
You take a seat. Take a seat. You stand up. Have you read
Yes, I have read.
what
I have read Sikkim.
you have read also Sikkim? Okay. So have you practiced?
Yes, sir.
How many times?
I have practiced 80 times.
30 times. That's good. So tell me 10 requests. Have you practiced on imperative sentences? So tell me 10 requests. What's the problem?
Please help me. Please,
Yes.
please speak to. Please don't speak here.
Okay.
Please go there. Please bring water. Kindly, my listener, my speak. Please, this question.
Solve this question.
Solve this
Okay,
question.
take a seat. You stand up. Types of sentences. How many types of sentences?
5 types.
5. Tell me the name.
Assertive sentence,
Okay.
infinitive sentence,
Okay.
interrogative sentence,
Okay.
optative sentence, exclamatory.
Exclamatory sentences. Okay. That's good. How many times have you practiced?
Yes, I have practiced 85 times.
That's good. If I ask how many there, don't need to say yes. Direct, I can say I have practiced 85 times. If I ask you, have you practiced? Then you say yes or no. But if I ask how many, where, how, why, they don't need to say yes first. Okay? Take a seat. Take a seat. How many times have you practiced?
I have 30 times.
You have practiced only 30 times. That's not good. You keep standing. You. How many times have you practiced?
I have practiced 80 times.
You have practiced 70 to 80
Times.
times. Good. So, tell me all the starters.
Let me tell you about if I talk about if I ask you about if you ask me about I am going to tell you about it in my opinion from my point of
Is it
view.
fresh?
As you know.
Clear?
Yes, sir. From my point, to be honest, to be frank, to be sure, would you mind commits
Don't say honest. Say honest.
honest.
Tell me, what have you done before coming here today?
Ji?
What have you done before coming here today?
Yeah. Before coming
Yeah.
here,
Today.
today I practiced
Okay.
I take tea.
Took tea.
Took tea. Revise, get fresh.
Got fresh.
Got fresh. I have ready and
I have got ready.
I have got ready. You know, I have. I have hair.
Comb my hair.
Comb my hair. I have
just come here.
I have just come here.
Take a seat. You. How many times have you practiced?
I have practiced 60 times.
60 times. To be true or to be not true?
To be true.
Tell me, what have you done before coming here? What have you done before coming here? What have you done before coming here? I want to know. When you came here, so before coming here, what have you done there? Then you have come here.
Let me tell you about
What I have done.
what
I have
have done
before coming here.
before coming here.
Start.
I
Good. Keep.
I read.
Read.
I breakfast.
I took breakfast.
I took breakfast.
Not fast. First, I took
First.
breakfast.
I take bath.
Took. Just have to use second form, or you can use has plus third form. For example, I have taken bath, or you can say I took bath. Both are same. For now.
I went to school.
You went to school before coming here today. Completed. Don't say 1, 2, 3. Start from there. Not good. You should have practiced many more. And you have to speak 2 or 3 imperative sentences as well. Go and play, come and see. Come and talk to me. Go outside and play and talk in English. This is also imperative sentences. Why have you not practiced? And with the conversation, keep practicing. For example, I said to my mother yesterday, and my mother said to me. I said to one of my friend, and she said to me. What said to me? You have to just speak daily. You stand up. What did you say anybody yesterday? What did you say to anybody yesterday? You say anybody yesterday. What did you say?
I said to me.
I said to, not me.
I said to my mother. Sweep.
You said your mother, or your mother said to you? You believe. Oh, okay. Next, fast. In school. Tell me about school.
I said to my school. I said to my friend.
In school.
I said to my friend.
Go to. I said to my friend in my school. Go to.
Play.
Go to play. Next.
I said to Priyanshu, pray. Chalo go.
You start. Today in that particular coaching, what did you say to anybody?
I said to Pooja, solve this question.
Okay. First.
I said to Sazma, when you come. I said to Sapna, when you come.
When have you come? Okay. You stand up. Who said to you something? Who said to you something?
I said,
Who said you to you? Who? In coaching. Ask. Nobody. You did not go there. Okay. Yesterday, who said to you in school? You did not say anything. Who? Someone said to you. Who?
Rani said to me,
That's good.
you, notebook.
I have not brought. Sorry, I have not brought book. So then. Next. Who said to you what?
Julie said to me,
Fast.
playground.
Okay, fast.
Pooja said to me, go to class.
Class. Okay, just speak fast.
Sir said to me, do homework.
Sir said to us, have you done your homework? This thing can be asked by any kind of teacher. Take a seat. So, we got to know how to make imperative sentences. First form and don't plus first form as well. After that, you can use anything, object, complement, place, time, whatever you want to use. Okay? So, next, if I talk about optative sentence. Already I have told you. Who remembers what was optative sentence? Who remembers? Just raise your hand. Who remembers what optative sentence shows? What shows?
To say cross
You can say optative sentence says says what?
Cross with
Cross, not curse.
course place with
Pray.
pray.
Simple. Take your seat. So already we know optative sentence shows what? Says what? Curse, bless, wish, pray. Right? For example, if I talk about wish. So we have like if I talk about happy birthday. If you say someone happy birthday, so what type of sentence is it? Optative sentence. Happy birthday. You can say happy. You can say anybody anniversary. This type of sentences is optative sentence. Let live long. Sorry, not live long. It's not wish. May you get success. Get success. So tell me, we have two ways to make optative sentence. First one we have without may. Without may you can make sentence, and second way you can make the sentence with the help of may. Okay, you can say may you get success. You get success. You can say, but may if you use, then it seems like optative sentence. May you get success. If you want to wish for someone, may you get success. It's my wish. It's my wish. It's my wish. Or this wish may be pray as well, bless as well. It's my pray. May you get success. ये भी हो सकता है ना? हाँ, तो वहाँ पर थोड़े देखकर बोलोगे कि मैं तुमको विश बोल रहा हूँ कि कर्स बोल रहा हूँ. जस्ट सेंटेंस से ही मालूम चल जाएगा कि तुम क्या बोल रहे हो, है ना? जैसे कल भी बताए थे किसमें इम्पेरेटिव में.
Descriptive time questions.
Completed. This one completed.
No, sir.
D, C, D. It's my wish. May you pass the exam. The exams. It's my wish. ये मेरी wish है कि तुम इस एग्जाम को क्या हो जाओ? पास. It's my wish. This is wish. है ना? You can use here. It's my wish. Otherwise, you can start from me. Right? You can use here. It's my wish. May you get success. It's my wish. Happy birthday. It's my wish. Happy anniversary. You can speak like that. Okay. Similarly, best of luck. Best of luck. If someone is going to do anything, let's suppose if someone is going to take and appear any type of exams, right? So where would you say what? Best of luck. If someone is going to play any type of match, you know, a state level, a district level, a country level, then what will you say? Best of luck. If let's suppose your sister is going to appear the exams, matric or intermediate, what would you say? Best of luck. Best of luck. Yeah. So this is, it's my wish. Best of luck. You can say. So we have two ways to speak of that sentence. You can speak sentence with the help of may, and another without may you can speak. But if you use may, then you have to use what? In subject you say, and then first of you have to use, and after that you can use anything. For example, may you is what? Subjects, and pass is what? Pass is what? Verb. Here may you is what? Get is what? First form. Sir, only we use only for you. No. It this sentence may be used, you know, every type of sentence. Let's suppose may your brother, you know, gets, may your brother get success. It is not you know necessary. It is not required कि सिर्फ you के साथ होगा, नहीं, किसी के लिए भी कर सकते हैं. Let's suppose what is your name? सुंदरी. कैसे बोलेंगे? May, not mine. May Sundri, you know, may Sundri, you know, pass the exams.
Yes.
तुम ये नहीं कह रहे हो कि तुमको यू के लिए, ऐसा नहीं है. किसी के लिए तुम प्रे कर सकते हो, किसी के लिए तुम कर्ज कर सकते हो, किसी के लिए तुम विश कर सकते हो, किसी के लिए तुम प्लेस कर सकते हो.
May Sundari pass the
Match.
Yes.
You can use may. Let's suppose you know Priyanshu. Let's suppose she is going to, you know, play any match. So where may Priyanshu win the match. Win the match. It's wish. It's my wish may Priyanshu win the match. So don't, you know, say, I don't, you know, think you only we use only you. No. Here any subject may be used here. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So this, have you understood how to make and what a wish? Happy birthday, you know, happy anniversary. You always say, may you live long. Wish, I think, maybe pray as well. I think if I talk about pray and bless, I think these three are similarly. If you want to say someone happy birthday, like that, pray like that, you know, bless like that, wish,
Okay.
you know, live long, live long. उम्र बड़ी हो, है ना? प्रे भी हो सकता है, विश भी हो सकता है. इसी को हम इस तरह भी बोल सकते हैं. May you live long. May you live long. Short में भी बोल सकते हैं इसको live long, and long में बोल सकते हैं may you live long. It's my pray. You can say it's my pray. It's my pray or bless anything. It's my pray. It's my pray. You know, may God bless you. May God bless you or save you. Here God is subject. Here God is subject and you is object.
Object.
ये verb है. तो ये कौन सेव करेगा तुमको? गॉड. तो ऐसे बोल सकते हैं इट्स माय प्रे मे गॉड सेव योर फादर. मान लो तुम्हारे फादर बीमार है तो कैसे किसी को बोलोगे? यू नो मे गॉड सेव योर फादर. फादर, मदर,
And brother.
you know, brother, sister, parent. हाँ, may God save your parent. It's my pray, it's my wish, it's my bless. किसी के लिए तुम wish कर रहे हो, bless कर रहे हो, कितनी अच्छी बात है. May God save your parents. May God save you. May God help you. May God help you. है ना? May God help you. हाँ, लास्ट में यही आएगा. May God save your family. May God bless you. Or you can say God bless you. Direct हम कह सकते हैं God save your mother. Or you can say May God save your mother. Or you can say God save your father. Or you can say May God save your father. God help you. And you can say May God help you. It's easy.
Yes, sir.
So, next we have what? Curse.
Cards, yes,
You know, curse. Curse. So curse it will take time, and here it is not room, place. Room is also means place, जगह. You know. Let's suppose जैसे तुम यहाँ पर बैठे हो, तो तुम नहीं बोल सकते यहाँ पर प्लेस नहीं है, यहाँ पर रूम नहीं है. ठीक है. प्लेस का मतलब बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है थोड़ा, और रूम का मतलब थोड़ा सा जिसमें एडजस्ट हो सके, उसे रूम बोलते हैं. ये नहीं कि ये क्लासरूम है, ये रूम है अपने आप में, हम समझ रहे हैं. तो उसका मतलब कमरा हो गया. एक रूम का मतलब जगह होता है जहाँ से एडजस्ट किया जा सके. वहाँ पर मान एडजस्ट करने के लायक नहीं है तो क्या बोलेंगे? इट्स नो रूम हियर. इट्स नो रूम हियर. So have you understood it? Wish, how to speak, wish, pray, bless. I think तीनों सेम ही होता है, लगभग सिमिलर ही होता है. अब तुम थोड़े बोलने जाओगे वहाँ पे कि मैं विश कर रहा हूँ कि प्रे कि ब्लेस. चाहो तो तुम इट्स माय विश, इट्स माय प्रे, इट्स माय ब्लेस लगा सकते हो, है ना? राइट फास्ट. You stand up. Wish. Tell some cancel speak on this.
Happy birthday.
Fast.
Happy anniversary. May you get
Success.
success. It is my wish.
It's my wish. It is my wish. May you crack this exam. Let's suppose someone is going to appear UPSC, CSC.